Shorty's gonna be a thug. Little badass nigga. To the young niggas. Go ahead, show up, nigga. Play your part. Got plenty of time, motherfuckers. You only getting 3 mistakes, and then that's life, big bag. It's crazy. Watch the songs. Damn, you ain't but 16, nigga. 16. It's a bad motherfucker. Was a nice middle class nigga, but no one knew the evil he do when he got a little bigger. Good off the final blaze while puffing on a Newport, plotting on another way to catch a case. Was only 16, yeah, convicted as a felon with a bunch of old niggas, but you the only one ain't telling. I tell you it's a cold world, stay in school. You tell me it's a man's world, play the rules and fade fool. Straight from the hall to the pit, an adolescent nigga standing way higher than 6 feet 10. He carried weight like a Mack truck, known to bust on player haters. If the motherfuckers act tough, then that's what a lethal weapon with the razor. This little nigga smoking weed and getting blazed up. No one can figure when the gun blast pull the trigger. Could take the life of a young nigga, guns bigger.
Sırtlarım açık ama